welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. So as you can see from the title down below, today we are going to be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy mystery bag. Now this is the Natural Necessities bag. This was available, it was $12 and it did sell out rather quick, and it's supposed to include a variety of beauty, skincare, makeup obviously, but natural beauty. So we're gonna get in here, we're gonna see exactly what it is all about. Like I said, this was only $12. Ipsy does do these mystery bags pretty often. I just did their skincare mystery bag last month. So I'm super excited to see what is in here. Again, it's only $12, so I think it's definitely worth it, and it's just kind of fun to get a mystery bag. So we're gonna see what we got, but before we do, I want to remind you guys, today is August 14th. It is Wednesday. Tomorrow, August 15th, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my 4,000 subscriber giveaway ends. So if you have not entered, make sure you do so. The link will be down below, and go ahead and get entered because, like I said, it ends tomorrow night at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget, we do also have another active giveaway on our channel for the August 2019 Tribe Beauty Box. So if you would like a chance to win the Tribe Beauty Box from August, go ahead and enter that as well. If you are new, welcome. We would love to have you. Please stick around. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And as always, leave a comment down below. I love hearing from you guys. I love you. I do love you. I love hearing about your day, what your thoughts are on the unboxing or unbagging. Just let me know what you think, how your day is. I do also want to say thank you so much to all of you who took the time to reach out and either private message me, text me, call me, or leave a comment on my community post yesterday. Yesterday was a rough day, but we're gonna move on. Some things in life you just can't change, so we're just gonna move on. But I do truly from the bottom of my heart appreciate every comment, text, phone call, everything. It means so much to me, so thank you from the bottom of my heart. But let's go ahead and get on to the unbagging. So again, $12. You have to go into the Ipsy app. They will do these randomly. They don't really notify you. I do try to post on my community tab or Instagram anytime something like this comes up. So, all right, so we have the bag. Making sure there wasn't anything left in the mailer. So the bag is super adorable. As you can see here, it's this like pinkish lavender metallic color. I don't know if it's really coming across on camera the true way. And then you have the tag here that says Ipsy. So the bag itself is actually really cute. I do like the bag. So let's go ahead and see. Now the last mystery bag, the skincare mystery bag, did not have a card. I didn't see anything outside of the bag, and no card. I'm trying to like not peek too much. So no card, so we'll just kind of wing it with the products one by one. So there will be 5 products in here, so let's just get to them. So the first thing I am pulling out, oh, I think I have received this before. This is from Laura Sanchez. This is actually from the Moods palette. So this is an eyeshadow single in I don't know, it's not telling, it just says, "With much love, I present to you Moods, a palette that defines who I am. On one hand, sweet and feminine, and on the other, strong and determined. I name the tones of this palette using emojis, which is our form of global expression, so visual that it breaks the language barrier. I want you to have a little bit of my heart in your makeup kit." All right, so what is this emoji then? It almost looks like a bunny. You guys see it right here? I'm not exactly sure. This is cruelty free, so I do like that. Okay, so this is like a light taupe color. So it definitely goes with the natural. That would be a really great transition color for a lot of skin tones. Now, I don't usually reach for single shadows, so you know what that means. This is gonna be put to the side for a giveaway for one of you guys. So, but still, that's a full-size eyeshadow. So we got a full-size product. That's awesome. And then, whoa, we got another full-size product. Are you serious? All right, so from Bella Pierre, we have a high definition translucent setting powder. Look, you guys, we got a full-size product. And let's see. So there's this little pad here. It is safety sealed. So put this in. I have quite a few translucent setting powders or just setting powders. So I'm going to put this to the side for a future giveaway as well. But that's pretty awesome. So far we have gotten 2 full-size products. Not mad at that. Then we got, what is this? This is from Pixie by Petra. Lip Lift Max Glossy Lip Plumper in Sheer Rose. That is a really pretty color. Can you guys see? That's a really pretty color. Now this definitely wouldn't be full size, but it's a good size. And if you have an extensive, lip collection, you don't necessarily need a full size. Now I'm going to put this aside for a giveaway as well, just because if you actually notice, the gloss that I have on right now is actually very similar. And I would just rather one of you guys get the joy of this, plus it being a plumper. I have said this in a recent video, I don't really need plumping. My lips are kind of good. So hopefully one of you guys will enjoy that. And let's see. Then we have, oh, now I've received this before and this is awesome. This is a good bag. This is from Tarte. This is the Base Tape Hydrating Primer. Tarte Double Duty Beauty. This is a really, really good primer. Like I said, I've actually got this, so this is gonna be put to the side for one of you guys as well. I love this. This is a really, really good primer. I definitely recommend this. So if you've not tried it, it'll be in a future giveaway. Y'all know I do lots of them. All right, so our final product is from IBY Beauty. And this is a Radiant Glow Highlighter. And this is in 24K Magic. Let's see if I can open it. Okay. Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. I'm not gonna have to tear the box to open this. Why can I not get this open? I literally had to use my box cutter. I kind of tore the top, but then I was able to get this bottom part. My mercy. All right. So this might be why it was kind of difficult. It is wrapped up in this. So this is what it looks like. I've gotten actual eyeshadow singles from them before, and this is the standard packaging. Ooh, that's pretty. That is really pretty. Yeah, 24-hour magic. That is a super pretty highlighter. I'm not going to swatch it. You guys see right there, you kind of see the glow, because I'm going to put this in a future giveaway as well. So I'm just kind of on highlight overload. But I definitely think that the natural necessities, all right, so if you happen to be the person that wins whatever giveaway this may end up in, just excuse that right there. I would be struggling to open it. But I definitely think that they did an amazing job with getting the natural look here. So you got this really beautiful gold toned highlighter, this really beautiful taupe color matte eyeshadow, which to me again is full size because it's a full size single eyeshadow. And again, the shade is going to be so beautiful as a transition for many skin tones. I mean, you need a good primer, so there's that. This, I think, again, being a lip gloss is beautiful. And I actually, because it is hot as all get out, y'all, it's hotter than sugar honey iced tea outside, I literally just did gloss and some eyeliner. I didn't even do like foundation or anything. I'm like, no, I'm hot. So I definitely think this is great to go natural. And then obviously a setting powder, perfect, and it is full size as well. So I think it was actually really worth it. It's just some of the products I already have, or I have something very similar, and I just would love to share with you guys. You know, I love giving back. I appreciate you guys so much. So let me know down below, did you get this bag? If you did, was it the same? Were there variations? Let me know down below. I hope that you all have a wonderful Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. I don't even know what day it is. A wonderful Wednesday. And don't forget, enter the 4,000 subscriber giveaway if you have not already, and the Tribe Beauty Box. Go ahead and smash that button and stick around. We'd love to have you. And don't forget, tonight I will be going live, so that's always a good time. I hope you guys, again, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will talk with you on the next one. Bye.